Hello, my name is Emil Denexter, Human Factors Engineer for ATG Europe, working on the ICARUS de-risk project in collaboration with ICES Space for the European Space Agency. We're looking at build version 67. The experience has been split up into 3 stages, starting with the fundamentals at the first table, where we demonstrate fastening, tools, and wiring. At the second table, we assemble a stack of PCBs inside a single unit from a CubeSat. Ending at the third table, where we demonstrate a full assembly and wiring of a CubeSat. First, we can fasten a bolt into a nut by hand. Hovering over the nut, I get an indicator that I can start turning the bolt. I can grab and twist one way to fasten, and I can turn the other way to release the bolt. To make things easier, we have a screwdriver. The screwdriver is magnetic. To work a little faster, I can use the scroll bar on the controller instead of turning my whole hand. And it's in. Now I'd like to show you how we've implemented wiring. We can grab a cable by its coil and by its anchor points. As we stretch it out, the coil becomes smaller, indicating that we've reached the full length of the cable. I can position the wire and grab its anchor endpoints and connect them into sockets. Now I can create anchor points on the wire to dress it in a specific way. There, I'm happy with that. When hovering over a cable, we get a visualization of its bend radii. The deeper the color, the closer we are to exceeding the minimal bend radius. Now I'd like to demonstrate how we can assemble a full stack of PCBs into a single unit. I can organize the table however I like. There, that looks good. I'm going to focus on this stack here. I'm going to start with the first PCB, followed by 4 spacers. And I'm going to repeat this until I have a full stack. Last PCB. Now I need a different set of spacers and the top frame. Then I can secure the top frame with a screw, and there we have it, an assembled unit. If I want, I can also use the tweezers to position parts. At table 3, we can show a full demonstration of all the features developed for the ICARUS de-risk. We have some pre-assembled PCB units, and I'm going to start with the bottom frame of the CubeSat. Next, I'm going to place some brackets. If I want, I can disassemble and place the brackets in different spots. Now some corner brackets. Now I can start placing these PCB units in the orientation that I prefer. Then I'll take some of the cables and demonstrate how one would dress the wires. Thanks for watching. I hope this has given you a good overview of what we've been developing.